الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين إنه هو خير ناصر ومعين. My dears, if you remember, Ms. Z talked about the teamwork, right? How we should work to each other, help each other, support each other for any project, right, my dear? So, subhanAllah, when we come together and work, help each other, that project what? Finish soon and finish perfectly, right? So just imagine that if I by myself start one project, right? It takes a lot of the time, more than the what? If I have what? Co-worker, right? So that's why, my dear, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran in several places encourage us and order us to help each other. Ahsan, very good. Number one, in Surah Ma'idah, my dear. Surah Ma'idah number 2. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned this phrase that أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وتعاونوا على البر والتقوى ولا تعاونوا على الإثم والعدوان, which means help each other, help one another in righteous deeds, in good deeds, and in piety. For example, if some people are starting to build a masjid, mosque, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says what? Go and help one another to build masjid. Or for example, if there is for example, a project but for helping the poor people, right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says what? Help each other. Go help one another to what? To righteous deeds, my dear. This is the one side. Another side, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala further continued and said, وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ, which means that do not help each other in sin, committing sin, God forbid. If, for example, if I see there's some place or some people are doing sin, should they participate?
Yeah.
No,
He was here. Yes, I know.
If I see, for example, some of the people, God forbid, doing the unjust action, should I help them? No. So this is the first place that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered us to help each other in righteous deeds. In another place, in last ayah of the Surah Asr, I hope everybody look at me, I hope everybody listen to me, and I hope everybody paying attention to me, my dear. I am mentioning the ayah Qur'ani, which is the very beneficial for all of us, not only you, even for me, my dear. Surah Asr, my dear, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the last two phrases of the Surah Asr again order us what? To help each other, to support each other in two things. Number one, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ means what? Advise in each other, one another in truth. In truth, my dear. When I see a truth, we have what? Advise each other, encourage each other what? In the truth. Number two, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ تَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ and وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ, and encourage in each other, advise one another into what? To patience. To the patience. So, likewise, we learn from the Quran al-Kareem that we have to what? Help one another in righteous deed and good things. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq and ability to help each other in justice, truth, patience, and righteous deeds, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.